Friends, cornbread lovers, and countrymen, lend me your ears. This video's about pecking in a pan, pecking in a pan. Grandma Shirley's pecking in a pan. Go on, try it. Give yourself a hand. Grandma Shirley's pecking in the pan. All you need is arnettes and a nice pan. Try it yourself. You're gonna be a fan. Grandma Shirley's pecking in the pan. Go ahead and try it. I know you can. Go on, baby, pecking in the pan. Share this video all across the land. You'll have everybody pecking in the pan. You'll be loving it from Feb to Jan. Go on and try it. Pecking in the pan. Grandma Shirley's pecking in the pan. Grandma's cornbread gonna knock you dead. Grandma Shirley's pecking in the pan. Join the revolution, pecking in the pan. Peace out.
Mom's out here under the carport area. Are you gonna make some cornbread and show us how to do that?
Yeah. We're looking forward to seeing some cornbread making, because that is some good stuff and make a rabbit hug a hound. Hey, thanks for being here. This video is about making cornbread and making it right, Southern style. Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, here we are in Mama's kitchen, and she's gonna show us how to make some cornbread. Okay, what you got for us?
Use about 3 heaping tablespoons of meal, Arnett's meal.
Okay, 3 heaping tablespoons of Arnett's meal. Where's that bag? I'm gonna do a clip. She brought me over here to the cabinet, and this is what it looks like. She just keeps it up here in a big jar. Arnett's meal. And it doesn't work with other stuff because we tried it. And then you add a teaspoon of salt. She doesn't have the bag. Now she's gonna show us the texture of what she has it at. This is about the thickness that she mixes milk in to mix it up. Okay, what kind of oil is that?
Just any kind of vegetable, bacon oil or anything.
This is probably Crisco?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, we just found out that Deanne uses the avocado oil, but you're probably using Crisco.
Yeah.
Old school. Cooking with Crisco. She's cooking with Crisco now. She's on a roll. She's like butter. She's on a roll. Watch out. Shirley's in the kitchen. Wait, what do you call it?
Pecking in the pans.
Pecking in the pans. Okay, that's what Shirley's doing right now. Pecking in the pans. Who used to call it that?
Granddaddy Bullock.
Granddaddy Bullock.
It's Mom's pecking in the pans again.
She's turning her stove on about 5, or stovetop, and she says get your griddle, cast iron skillet, really hot before you start pouring.
And pour a good bit of grease in.
And pour a good bit of grease in. Move it around a little bit, you can kind of see how much grease is in this pan. Is that one of your Wagner's?
Yeah.
Okay, Wagner cast iron skillet. If you don't get your griddle hot, it doesn't do as well. We're gonna get it hot and show you what cornbread's like. While we're waiting for the griddle to warm up, just showing you the pound cake we got into last night. Watch out now. She whipped up some Cool Whip and strawberries to put over the pound cake. So I'm gonna be running a little slower in softball this coming week. If running any slower is possible for me these days. Oh, it's been a rough year.
I think it's ready.
She's mixing it up one more time. She stirred it, and now she's gonna pour her first one. And that's cornbread happening in real time right there, baby. And you're gonna let that kind of brown up and stiffen up a little bit, and then she'll flip it. This is probably an 8 skillet, number 8 Wagner skillet. Okay, she just flipped the first one. She said she about burned it because we were getting stuff out of the refrigerator. I think we're gonna have Thanksgiving again. We have dressing and turkey, peas, all kind of good stuff. You know how you get an Amazon package in the mail and you feel like it's Christmas Day? Every day you get a little package in the mail. It's not like the old days. Well, when you come to Mom's, it's like Thanksgiving every day. We're fixing to get our eat on. I might have to call this video Peckin' in the Pan. Peckin' in the Pan. Mama's pecking in the pan. Okay, here's the second pouring. And here's the first one. Okay, we're flipping it. There it is. Looking good. She adds a little bit more grease in there. What do you got over there? Greens?
Turnips,
Turnips?
rutabagas, got cream potatoes, chicken and dumplings, butter beans,
Chicken and dumplings, butter beans,
turkey.
and turkey. You are what you eat. And don't forget the sweet potatoes.
You can go ahead and
And this is the end result. And I'm telling you, it is good. I could sell these on the side of the road. Make millions. This is what it looks like once you bite into it. And it is delish. Pecking in the pan, pecking in the pan. Truck Gate Shirley is pecking in the pan. Pecking in the pan, pecking in the pan. Grandma Shirley is pecking in the pan. Try it yourself. You're gonna be a fan. Grandma Shirley, pecking in the pan. Go ahead and try it. I know you can. Go on, baby, pecking in the pan. All you boys who wanna become a man, you need to start pecking in the pan. Share this video all across the land. You'll have everybody pecking in the pan. You'll be loving it from Feb to Jan. Go on and try it. Pecking in the pan. Grandma Shirley's pecking in the pan. Grandma's cornbread gonna knock you dead. Grandma Shirley's pecking in the pan. Peace out.